Schleppy.
And I'm Becky.
That makes us Becky and Schleppy.
Which means it's a
bunch of BS.
Get it? BS. Becky Schleppy.
Okay, yep.
Yeah, I think yeah.
So we don't know what we're doing on here yet, but we are sometimes funny.
Depends.
Stop that.
Okay.
I'm at the video.
Oh, hey! Didn't see you there. I'm Madison. You know, I'll be recording this whole thing for those two. And, yeah.
Now let's go have some fun.
Madison, don't run into the tree!
Oh, trust me, I'm a professional.
Wait, yeah, do the thing. Wait, no. Thanks for tuning in. Do it.
Thanks for tuning in today. Come back sometime for, I don't know, see how real people dance these days.
Yes.
I've got some moves up my sleeves, down my pants, you know. You got anything to say, Beck?